Stand by for dispatch. Gates open, they're up and racing. The surgeon draws for your lead. Moving up is Moment in Time. Then followed by Starbucks Fancy, Chase Charlie. Moving up is Happy Boomer. Rampage Shorty outside. In between runners moving up is entry number 3, that's Pulse Gold. Running by the rail is Beautiful Cookie. Then moving up now is entry number 7, and that's Giant Wonder, Natu Princess. Past the last 800, Moment in Time in command by about a length and a half. The Surgeon remains in second. Starbucks Fancy still in third. Down in fourth is Chase Charlie. Happy Boomer comes next. Moving up Pulse Gold, Nato Princess. Then comes Giant Wonder, Rampage, Beautiful Cookie. As they pass the last 450, we have Moment in Time still leading the field. Throwing a challenge now. Adi outside is the Surgeon, and Adi outside. Moving up is the stablemate, and that's Chase Charlie. With the last 150 more to run, Moment in Time moving up Adi outside is 6A, the Surgeon. The Surgeon now takes command over Moment in Time in second, and Chase Charlie, Happy Boomer, and finally the Surgeon. Moment in Time, Chase Charlie, Happy Boomer. Then comes Pulse Gold close with Giant Wonder na 1A, Rampage, Nato Princess, Starbucks Fancy, and Beautiful Cookie.